Go.
Hi, I'm Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and I'm here today at the launch of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. This is a video for Tech Travel Geeks and Ostroid. We're partnering up with them. It's ready tomorrow for them, but let's focus on the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. This is the new flagship from Huawei. It launches with improved camera, improved battery life, a new improved screen, and let's have a quick walkthrough. As you can see, as with recent Huawei devices, the logo is horizontal because this is a camera powerhouse. You're supposed to be holding it like this when you're taking video and taking pictures. You'll see that there's a new round camera module which has 4 camera elements. This camera was developed in partnership with Leica. There's 2 separate 40 megapixel sensors. There is also a super wide angle sensor and lens and depth sensor. So it's a really powerful setup which is then enabled to do lots of really funky stuff both for stills and video with EMUI software. Now, I mentioned that it's meant to be held like this, and one of the big improvements is the screen. So when you're taking lots of pictures and videos, you'll want to watch them on the screen to the device, which I'll just unlock. So this is a new waterfall 6.5 inch screen. 6.5 inch in diagonal, but it's not that big because they've minimized the size of the bezels, and it's a waterfall display. You'll see that it curves all the way down to the bottom there. And on the other side it does the same. So very different user experience. It feels very different to hold. And the back is slightly curved, but the prime space goes to the screen. You'll see, just as on the Mate 20 Pro, there's a little red highlighted button, and you might notice there is no volume rocker on either side. That's because you use the waterfall display itself to control the volume. So you do that by double tapping the side of the screen and then sliding your finger up and down to control the volume. It's really quite cool. It will take some getting used to, but I can see this being a really cool feature. At the bottom there's the usual Type-C connectivity for data and charging. The Mate 30 Pro supports 40 watt fast charging or supercharging, as well as wireless charging at 25 watts, is that it? Davey will correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, it is 25 watt fast charging, as well as reverse charging, which is much faster than it was on last year's models. Software is Huawei's Android distribution, EMUI. This is EMUI 10 based on Android 10. There is still some questions about Google services and third-party app stores, but it does come with the Huawei App Gallery, which has a series of apps already available there. The Selfie Notch is still there, but this time there's 3 main sensors there, and the 3 main sensors are improved with an additional 2 sensors, so there's 5 separate sensors in that notch. We'll go into that in a bit more depth in a separate video. So that's a quick overview of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Last feature, which is maybe not shouted out about too much, infrared port at the top. If you're traveling, if you're in a hotel room and want to use the hotel TV, that infrared port is still there, so you can use the phone as your remote control. So that's a quick overview of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. We haven't mentioned it much, but battery life is another improvement. There's new battery technology and a bigger 4,500 mAh battery, but without some proper hands-on time, we can't really evaluate that. So for now, that was a quick overview of the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. Thanks for watching this Tech Travel Geeks YouTube in partnership with Ostroid. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.